Friends, welcome back to the new video. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about guys auto rotate setting in our Realme phone guys, how to turn on. So friends, you want to on guys your auto rotate screen in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you on and guys how can you use? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel guys, you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. So then first of all open phone setting to on your auto rotate, then guys scroll it, and friends you can see this type of setting guys. Click on guys display and brightness setting, again scroll. Friends, you can see your auto rotate. So friends, you want to on, so right side this icon guys, click here to on it. So friends, you want to rotate your phone so you can rotate while operating any apps, so like that get this YouTube. And friends, you want to rotate, you can rotate. So friends, like that guys, you can rotate it. And guys, you can use your auto rotate setting. So I hope friends you understood how to on auto rotate screen and guys how to use it in the Realme phone. That's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.